Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this is a unit that I did a video on about a month ago. It comes from Todd in Lafayette, California. This unit was originally converted by another shop. They were not able to get the 8-track section to change tracks properly. They tried using a piece of a plastic screw as a push rod. That didn't work out. They also they did not installed the built-in Bluetooth mic, and they also installed things in such a way that it was going to overheat some stuff. So I moved things around, replaced the motor, replaced the head, replaced the preamp, and now she's ready to go. So I've got it set to AM at the moment. Let's
and to be a good citizen.
Let's do FM first.
Important.
Okay, going to switch to FM. We can just run down the dial here and make sure we still pick up our FM stations.
Represented in the
At 73800.
cognitive functions.
Skip over the middle. I don't get much in the center of the dial.
23-year-old nonprofit Mark.
0.9.
Lines of credit up to 100.
Okay, I'm going to flip it over to AM. And we get one strong AM station right about here.
Sociology. Because we understand
there's our strong AM station. And while we're on here, let's make sure that our balance and fader functions still work.
This is Carl Jackson.
Left, right, balance control, left, right, left, right. Okay, I'm going to put the Bluetooth in the pairing mode. Now let's do the virtual fader. Make sure that still works.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. All right, all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers.
Better serve our ever-growing community. Our expertly trained team.
Fader set.
Okay, make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Alrighty, make sure the USB still works. We don't need this stuff anymore.
Use your power to pay the state or to help the kids. You can redirect the foundation.
Okay, pull the stick out, radio comes back. Now let's test the 8-track function. Change track to make sure we got all of our speakers working. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're at the end of a song here.
You can be the cat.
Alrighty, pull the tape. Radio comes back. And test the dial out real quick, and that is working as well. So she's ready to go. All the problems have been fixed, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And yeah, this one was kind of a nightmare to rework. Customer paid quite a bit of extra to have me redo the work of another shop, and it's mainly because they don't have a lot of experience with 8-Tracks, as is evidenced by the fact that they don't say the word 8-Track in their advertising or anywhere on their website. So really, when it comes to 8-Tracks, it's not about being a really good electronics technician. It's about being set up for 8-track repair, knowing the failure trends, either having the right parts or knowing how to make the right parts to get the 8-track work again. It's not like it was 50 years ago when you could just call up, a shop and say, hey, I need this such and such for an 8-track player. Those parts are no longer available. In a lot of cases, I have to actually fabricate those parts by hand, and that was the case with this too. So really, if your unit has an 8-track, or if it is an 8-track, it's really best to send it to the guy who has got the most recent practice on 8-track machines, and that's obviously me. So just a little food for thought. This comes from Todd in Lafayette, California. Thank you, Todd, for having me rework this job, and thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see y'all next time.